What's up, guys? It's about that time. I'm gonna do another lot walk. Let's get it. What's going on, guys? Welcome back. This is Nick up here at Maple Motors in Hendersonville, Tennessee, and today we're gonna walk around the car lot. I'm gonna point out all the new cars that we got in this week. I do this every week so y'all know what we pick up. We also do test drive videos of every car on the lot. Join us on Snapchat, Instagram, TikTok, Facebook. We do all the social media. We do everything we can here to let you know what these cars need. Check out maplemotors.com for shipping, financing, 100 detailed pictures, and all of our inventory is updated every Monday. So what we're gonna do here is get started. Might as well start back over here in the corner. This is kind of a hold and sold section. And we're gonna head on out to the stuff on the point. I guess we got a 67 Chevelle for $24,900. Got a 66 Mustang for $12,900. The Pro Street, I never even got to do the video again. Immediately went on hold. This one's sold. I like this one. We didn't keep it long either. It was a 67 Chevelle. It's already on hold. The 57 Chevy's on hold, or oh, it was sold, sorry. 72 Cadillac, still available, $12,900. Very surprised that we still have that one. Got a pretty nice El Camino sitting here for $10,900. It's a 77 model. And then a 94 Caprice wagon, $79.50. Guys, if you want to see up under the hood, just watch my individual videos. Here on YouTube, you could type in 1994 wagon, Maple Motors. 2 videos will pop up. You get to see all under the hood, all under the car, how fast it goes, whatever. I mean, we do it all up here. Try to hook you up with as much information as we can. Nice little wagon we just got in. I literally just did the test drive on this one. Definitely check it out. Pretty sweet little car. Same with the Corvette. I actually had a buddy that came up. It was his birthday and I took it for a ride. That's a 77 model Corvette. I've already sold the Camaro, 69 Camaro. We're just waiting on shipping to come pick it up. We're having to wash these cars every day. We washed these cars this morning. The guys are out here paving and scraping the road. It has caused so much dust. Just constantly washing these cars. 1972 Skylark sitting here. It's got a hold tag on it. Hold does not mean sold. $15,900. 1971 Chevelle. We just lowered it from $22,900 to $21,900. Dropped it $1,000. See that truck just pulled in? That's some new inventory. Just got in. Low mileage. Be getting it in a second. We're gonna walk back there and check it out. Same with this one. This one was $22,900. Now it's $21,900. It's a 1971 Chevelle. 1969 Chevelle sitting here for $23,900. Got a 65 GTO convertible. It's a clone. It's not a real GTO, but it's $29,900. We just got this one in. We've had it before. Really sweet car, so we bought it back. 1971 Chevelle with a big block in it. Some fat tires on the back. I already had videos of this one previously, so I'm just gonna reload them up. He's gonna redo his detailed pictures. Just make sure I didn't miss nothing. Look at them tires, man. Pretty sweet. Oh, almost witnessed a wreck because all the traffic. 1981 Corvette for $12,900. Got a sweet little Nova here with a louvered hood, $26,900. It's a 1967 model. 73 split bumper Camaro 25.9. This car is fast. A built 350. Oh, they did wreck. What? Oh my goodness. I was kidding. That sucks. All right, right next to that one, 1972 Nova 19.9. We got the hold on there, but hold is not sold. This thing's pretty sweet. I feel like I have to have a mullet to drive it. I like it though. Really cool color scheme. 17.9 for a 1979 Camaro. Even the wheels to match. Formula Firebird, same price, 17.9. Gonna have to have the same mullet, 1976 model. And these cars should be racing each other. Got a new piece here. I believe this was an inline 6 on this Mustang. Just got it in. We will have pricing up on it and available soon. Some of the new stuff that we got in, like this one just came in within the last hour or so. We didn't have time to put pricing on it, but it will be available and it will be on my site Monday. Hold on, means sold. 13.9 on the 66 Mustang. Right beside that, 14.9, another 66 Mustang. Something that was really cool, a 39 model truck. I just did it, the test drive video of it as well. So I'm gonna be posting it here soon. It's super sweet. I love the flat paint on it. I mean, it's this clean. Peekaboo. You don't want to sneak up on me. This one sell, Jason?
Yes, I think one is sold.
No, it is sold. It was a pretty sweet truck though. You can also check out older videos of cars that we've already had. They're on here as well. Pretty sweet truck. We don't generally get these kind of cars in, but $29.50 looks like it needs a battery charge. Well, the battery's showing good. 12.9. See, look at the road does to these cars. This is behind the shop here. And it just dusty as can be. 1966 model Chevelle. All right, let's head on to the back. I got some new stuff hiding back here. I do. We also missed the front row, and we've got a shop to go in over here and show you some cool stuff. I got another Cobra in there. Got some dusty trucks back here. It upsets me. We wash them so many times and they get this dirty. All right, so 1972 C10, 15.9 on this one. Hold don't mean sold. Same with this one on hold as well. 67 C10, 15.9. 1955 Cameo, 34.9. These have the fiberglass beds on them. Right past that, C10 1965 for 16.9. And then a 1994 1500. I don't even think this one has 100,000 miles on it, guys. It's a pretty sweet truck. Not too many of them left with low miles. So we had a vent window go missing on our 67 Chevelle. We're waiting on it to show up. We're gonna have it in there soon. This one's got a big block in it, 26.9. This one's got dust on it back here sitting under our awning. It's crazy. Must just be floating all over the place. I just did a video on the little Ford back here. It actually was pretty good. I was impressed. Needs a complete interior. I'm gonna be posting it. Runs and drives good. 3 on the tree, $49.50. It's a 1969 Ford Falcon. It's not too bad. I was impressed. The paint's not bad. Running and driving's not bad at all. The interior, gonna need to be redone. Needs new seats, panels. Just everything's been sun faded or cracked. 05 Equinox. I don't know if they have it listed, but we have one. $49.50. Can't have our van. We love our van. Whenever we get this thing ready, that's pretty sweet. Limo, Lincoln Town Car. Let's head on back up here. We'll go into the shop. We'll work our way to the front of the lot. A Jeep Rubicon, 12.9, decent miles. It's an 07 model. We do have that available. I got a guy that just bought this truck down in Denver, Colorado. So the F100 is definitely sold. Had it for $14,900, that's what we sold it for. $21,900. Got the purple Chevrolet. I think this is a 1952 model, 3100 series. It's a big truck. Got a keg in the back of a flatbed with some ridiculous wheels. I think it's a 70 model, C10, $15,900. I tell you what, we're gonna end in the showroom. That'll be what we do last. Let's go up here, look at these Bel Airs, check them out. That's two sweet rides we just picked up. One's 56, one's 55. Tell the difference from the gas cap. Give her a little yank. Boom, baby. This one I love. I love the color scheme. They did a really good job with it. Really nice car, 1956 Bel Air. Then you go with the classic color scheme, red and white, 55 model. They both run and drive good. Got videos coming out of both of them. Definitely be looking for that. 4-speed Monty, 402, matching number motor, 72 model, $21,900. And I've sold the drop top 69 Camaro. It's already gone, but it looks good, so put it on the video. It deserves it. Let's go to the shop. Show you some new stuff, some cool stuff. We're walking over here. Hey, this is some personal rides, not for sale. I believe that's Patty Cake's Corvette. This is Pops' Bel Air. That's Jason's Chevelle. And whenever mine gets back from Boost Statics, I will be driving it every day. All right, I'm gonna cut the light on. Boom. Got the 1970 Mustang Fastback dressed up as a Boss 302 for $28,900. Got the videos out on it, test drives and walk-arounds. This car here basically been restored. It's got a 1972 Challenger, $31,900, 318 under the hood, but look how spotless everything is. The frame even looks like this. And we got documentation. Good deal. Plus, this is a 3-speed. How rare is that? All right, we're gonna way back here. Fox Body Mustang. This one's 30 grand. Don't have videos up of it yet. Don't call about this one. It's not for sale. It's already sold. In the 1955 convertible, $69,900. Most expensive car at Maple Motors. But it's got all factory options that it came with. Very sweet. Already sold this one. Very sweet car though. A Judge clone. Got a good look to it. The one right next to it. Pretty sure this one was $25,900. It's another Cobra, 93, really nice inside and out. But yes, we have another red one. I think I'll end up making videos of this one before I do that one back there. I've already sold the 66 Mustang. It sat on our front line for a while, and we got nervous because of all the dirt flying around everywhere, so we pulled it in our showroom because somebody's already bought this. We want to keep it nice and clean for them. Don't want to have to worry about it. And right here, 1971 VW Bug. This is a Beetle convertible. A clutchless manual. Really cool. I thought it was fun. It was kind of scary, honestly, when I first got in it, because I was like, man, you don't push the clutch, you just let out on the gas and shift. Pretty sweet. Awesome, guys. We'll bust the lot one more time. Just walk around real quick. This is our showroom. Hope y'all enjoyed this video. But like I said, I'm gonna walk around the whole car lot one more time. And we'll call it a night. The Jason Chevelle, I love it. Super nice inside and out. Not for sale. He will never sell that one. He's done too much with it. Then Pops' Bel Air. Same thing. He ain't gonna sell this either. Pat's Corvette. Retro, man. Let's take another glance. I want to remind you, if you check out maplemotors.com, we update it every Monday. New inventory. Typically 10 cars go on every Monday. Try to keep a good flow of cars coming through. And then I'll do all the test drives throughout the week. That's 20 videos. So if you want to subscribe, that'd be awesome. I'll welcome you to the channel. Lots of people subscribe and start sharing our videos, and I love that. I want to thank y'all for that. We do offer shipping options. We have a company that we use every day. We have financing available as well. We also have a wheels and parts section on the website you can check out. And that link is maplemotors.com. If you want to look up a specific vehicle, we'll stop right here and I'll tell you. Type in the year, the model, and Maple Motors. So let's say you want to see a walk around and a test drive of this one. Type in 1973 Camaro Maple Motors in the YouTube search bar and it'll pop up. All you gotta do is go to our website, see a car you like, do exactly that, year, model, and Maple Motors into the YouTube search bar. We also do trades. We also buy cars. So if you want to sell your car to us or trade it in, just go ahead and put attention. I'm selling my car, and send it to maplemotors@aol.com. Yeah, we got a vintage email address as well. I was telling you earlier, we do Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat, TikTok. That TikTok blew up. We started doing it and a couple weeks went by and there was about 20,000 subscribers. That's Justin doing that. I upload a few videos every once in a while to help him out, but he's doing a great job on that. So go on over and join us.
Have fun, but be careful.
Oh, I will. Later, Pops.
Love you.
Love you. We're all family. Been here 38 years. That's my grandfather. My father's here. My two uncles. Well, basically 3 uncles. One of them's just not blood. Then my buddy, Justin, comes up here and helps us out all the time. That's what he's doing, the TikTok. I want to thank y'all for watching. I hope you enjoyed the walk around. I got lots more videos coming your way. Thanks again, guys. I'll see you later.